morning.
Camera.
Today is Sunday. Last duty ng ating kaibigan. So Sunday ngayon at ang kalsada ay maluwag and malinis. So papasok pa rin tayo kahit Sunday, guys. Ganyan kay Ino.
Uy, bigyan mo naman ng sigla.
Walang day. Guys, good morning, good morning.
Whoa. Let's record.
Okay.
Visit ka. Visit.
So we are here in Dubai, guys, and our driver is this one, Swahil Khan ng Pakistan. And guys, mataas pa rin yung buwan, guys. Ayan, may buwan pa rin siya. Bilog na bilog, oh.
Burj Khalifa. Too much far.
Where Burj Khalifa? So Burj Khalifa, you see Burj Khalifa, eh?
Miss you see.
I not see.
Iwa.
Little problem, eyes.
Visit the bike out of this one.
Ay.
Co-vlogger.
Yeah, co-vlogger. Our co-vlogger for today.
Next side is
Right, guys, ayan na nga. Ito ang site 95. Then 3-4. Ito ang Bel Ramaita Club, guys, yan. At Nad Al-Hamar, papasok dyan Nad Al-Hamar yan. At ito ay papunta ng Mirdip area. So guys, makulimlim talaga, guys. Nakikisama sa kalungkutan ng ating panahon. Ayan. Ba't malungkot ka ba? Ba't malungkot ka? Ay, wala ka na naman ligo, my friend, ha?
uy.
You know I'm gonna get ligo, ha? Kaibigan, walang ligo, ha?
Lang naghugas.
Guys,
Sad mood, no happy mood.
no happy mood? Yeah.
Lady.
Lady, no happy mood now.
That's it. Eyes cry.
Cry. Oh, yeah, crying. Yeah.
Your last day.
Ayun. Missing our driver.
And your last day. No problem.
Yeah, no problem.
Too much time you
Yeah.
long time.
Long time friend, 3 months. So.
Only 7 months.
Yeah, 7 months.
7 months. You only 1 month. Name other
Yes. 7 months and 1.5 hour.
Go Philippines.
No, this lady not going Philippines.
Yeah.
Going Al Ain.
Ali.
Al Ain.
Abu Dhabi.
Then this one farm going to farm.
Going Abu Dhabi.
Anyone po?
No, camel farm. And this lady milking camel. This one is Almarai company. Almarai. The milk dates. And this one together with camel milk. Masud no meow night shift.
I think kasi this swing.
So guys, napakaganda ng natin ngayon.
English.
It's beautiful Sunday. It's beautiful Sunday and beautiful drivers. Handsome drivers. Yeah, this building is rent building. My friend, ano masasabi mo, my friend? Tell me something, my friend.
Ingat kayo.
But sad mood.
Sad
No
mood.
happy.
No happy mood.
Your last day.
Yeah. Why sad mood,
Sa
my
mga
friend?
kaibigan ko to all
English.
my friends.
Right?
To all
Bayjan? English, no English. Oh, English.
To all my friends there, you will take care of yourself.
How much there?
Too much. Little lang.
Ayaw, di ma.
Oh, yeah. Feeling sad daw. Oh, guys. My goodness. Ganyan talaga ang reality. That's the reality, guys. No one permanent in this world. Yeah.
Perfect!
Yes.
Ayaw, di ma.
Ayan. So guys, hindi naman dito napuputol lang ating mga pagkakaibigan, guys. Ayan.
Kikita-kita pa tayo sa outside of enough.
Yes. Yan, pag sumahod naman, per sahod naman, baka naman. Per sahod.
Makuha ko lang settlement ko.
Ayan, no. Baka
Nilalabas kita at ipapasok ulit.
Nandito tayo. Tahimik ang buhay. Ayan. Nakakapanibago. Si Grace palang magulo. O yan, shout out sa iyo, Grace Balagaksa. Bagalaksa. Grace Bagalaksa, shout out sa iyo. So,
Tutulog ka pa, gumising ka na.
Mag-jogging tayo mamaya. Ayan. So guys, talaga dito sa Dubai, guys, talagang matagal na ako naghahanap ng tricycle sa sa mga parking area. Wala talagang tricycle. There is no tricycle here. Yeah, only Talabat. Oh, yeah, like this. One, I saw motorbike. It's a silent Sunday, guys. Silent. So Bayjan. Good morning, Bayjan. Ay nagpupulot ng basura. So guys, napakalinis dito sa Dubai, guys. It's very clean and very safe. And guys, oh.
Malikot na kasi kumo.
Malikot. Ayan, Life Pharmacy. Malikot siya, guys. We are here now inside 1630, guys.
Thank you for Alcanari, the sponsor.
Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for 7 months na nakasama natin ang ating kaibigan. Nandito na tayo sa Zoom, guys. Welcome to Zoom, guys. And for our driver Sohail Khan ng Pakistan, number Wahed. Bye bye, guys.